Welcome to Obligr.com. In this video we will see how to filter mobile numbers in Obligr Platform. Log in your account on Obligr. After login, you will see menu on left hand of your screen. Go to Filter Mobile Number option. Click on it. On right hand, you will see a window in which you have to paste those numbers who are not in 10-digit format. See, I have pasted mobile numbers from my Excel sheet. In my data, the numbers are either more than 10 digits or less than 10 digit. Now we will filter it in 10-digit format. Click on Submit. See now, valid numbers are showing in valid number table. Duplicate number are removed in second table and in third table. It will filter out invalid numbers. You have to just copy-paste the valid numbers. Awesome, you have learned how to filter mobile numbers on Obligr Platform. Now check next video for further use. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice time.